In the world of solar energy, people often choose between blue and black solar panels. Each has its own features. It's very important to know the differences before making decisions. Black solar panels look sleek and modern. They use monocrystalline silicon, which is more efficient. Blue solar panels, on the other hand, use polycrystalline silicon. They are cheaper and have a bluish color. We will look at how these panels differ in performance, durability, and looks. This guide will help you choose between blue and black solar panels. It will consider your energy needs, budget, and how they look on your property. Besides choosing a suitable solar panels, it is necessary to consider a solar inverter fit for your solar system. Understanding black solar panels. Black solar panels are gaining popularity among homeowners. They provide a solution for harnessing energy with a design that complements various roof styles and is often a top pick among users. To fully understand their benefits, it's key to know what they are, how they're made, and the technology behind them. Definition and composition. Black solar panels are mainly made of monocrystalline silicon. This single crystal material gives them a uniform black look and boosts their efficiency. The top black solar panels use high-quality silicon and advanced methods to get the most power while looking good. Advantages of black solar panels. One big plus of black solar panels is how they look. They add a sleek, modern touch to any property. They also perform well in low light and high temperatures, by virtue of their ability to absorb more light and reflect less. Types of black solar panels. There are different kinds of black solar panels out there. Some are fully black, while others have black frames and back sheets. Fully black solar modules look uniform, but panels with black frames are more affordable. Think about what you need in terms of looks and performance when making decisions. The technology behind black solar modules. The technology behind black solar modules aims to enhance the efficiency. It involves using advanced materials and manufacturing techniques to create black solar panels that are not only efficient, but also visually appealing. This tech includes using high-purity silicon, anti-reflective coatings, and other innovations to absorb more light, maximize energy production, and minimize heat loss. Additionally, some black solar modules incorporate PERC, passivated emitter and rear cell technology, which increases efficiency by reflecting light back into the cell. It makes black solar panel technology a leading choice for clean energy. Understanding blue solar panels. Blue solar panels, also known as polycrystalline panels, have a blue color and a square cell shape. They are popular because they are affordable and work well. Homeowners and businesses choose them for these reasons. Definition and composition. Blue solar panels are made from silicon crystals melted together. This makes them blue and less uniform. Each crystal in the panel turns sunlight into electricity. They use polycrystalline technology. This makes them a good starting point for renewable energy. Advantages of blue solar panels. Blue solar panels are a good mix of cost and performance. They are efficient and affordable. Blue solar panels' efficiency has gotten better over time. They are also made with less waste than other panels, which makes them more environment-friendly. They may also be more visually appealing to some homeowners, as the blue color can blend seamlessly with certain roofing materials and landscaping. Types of blue solar panels. Blue solar panels are primarily polycrystalline in nature, although some manufacturers may offer monocrystalline options with a bluish hue. Polycrystalline panels are known for their lower cost and good performance in a range of conditions, making them a popular choice for residential and commercial installations. The technology behind blue solar modules. Blue solar modules use polycrystalline silicon technology. This technology helps them catch sunlight well. Better manufacturing has made them more efficient. They work well in different temperatures. This makes them valuable in renewable energy. Using blue solar panels means you're choosing eco-friendly and sustainable power. They are a smart choice for the future. Black solar panels versus blue solar panels, a performance comparison. It's important to know the difference between blue and black solar modules when you would like to choose one for your solar system. They both have their own benefits that can affect how much energy you get and how your home looks. Efficiency. Homeowners often look for energy-efficient solar panels. Black solar panels, made from monocrystalline material, usually work better than blue ones. This is because they absorb sunlight more evenly. Blue panels or polycrystalline might not be as efficient but still save a lot of energy. Durability and lifespan. Both blue and black solar panels are durable and have a long lifespan, typically ranging from 25 to 30 years. Black solar panels might have better durability and resistance to weather conditions because of the enhanced materials and manufacturing methods they utilize. This can be particularly important in harsh environments, such as those with extreme temperatures or high winds. Aesthetic preferences and installation choices. The aesthetic appeal of solar panels is an important consideration for many homeowners. Black solar panels provide a contemporary appearance that can boost the attractiveness of a house's exterior look, while blue panels might be more visually pleasing for individuals who favor a classic or country-style charm. Ultimately, the choice between black and blue solar panels will depend on personal preference and the overall design of the home or business. Performance in different conditions. In conditions like on days or when shaded areas are present, both blue and black solar panels function efficiently, but with slight differences in performance. Black solar panels excel in low-light situations, while blue panels may not generate as much energy in such settings. Understanding their performance under varying circumstances allows you to maximize the efficiency of your panels. Cost and installation. Blue versus black solar panels. When considering which panels to buy for your home or business premises and their budget, it is very important to note that black and blue panels come with varying price tags. You should carefully weigh before making a decision on which one to invest in order to buy an efficient and affordable solar panels. Initial costs. The initial cost of solar panels is a critical factor for many homeowners and businesses. Black solar panels, particularly monocrystalline options, tend to have higher initial costs due to their advanced materials and manufacturing techniques. Blue polycrystalline panels, on the other hand, are typically more cost-effective and may be a better option for those on a budget. Anyway, it is very important to look at efficiency and energy production over time, not just the price. Installation costs. Solar panel installation services vary in price. This depends on the location of the property, the complexity of the installation, and labor costs. The cost of installing black or blue solar panels is generally similar, as the installation process is largely the same regardless of the panel's color. However, black panels might need special installation, raising costs. Blue panels are easier to install, which could lower costs. Return on investment. Looking at the return on investment for blue and black solar panels, the return on investment (ROI) for solar panels can vary depending on several factors, including the cost of electricity in your area, the size of the system, and the efficiency of the panels. Black solar panels, due to their higher efficiency levels, may offer a faster ROI than blue polycrystalline panels. However, the overall ROI will also depend on factors like government incentives and tax credits, vary likely by location and time. Aesthetic appeal. Which solar panel looks better? Homeowners looking into solar energy often think about how the panels look. The choice between blue and black solar panels can change your home's appearance. It is inevitable to know the design and color differences and how they fit with your roof. Design and color differences. When choosing panels for a home or business setup, in terms of design and color scheme preferences are factors to keep in mind. Blue and black solar panel selection typically comes down to personal taste and how well they integrate with the overall look of the property. Black solar modules have a sleek, modern look. They're made from monocrystalline silicon and have a uniform color. This makes them popular for a contemporary look. Blue solar panels made from polycrystalline silicon have a speckled blue color. They offer a more traditional look compared to black panels. Impact on home aesthetics. The choice between blue and black solar modules can really impact your home's look. Black solar panels fit well with many architectural styles, creating a clean and unified look. Less subtle blue panels can add an interesting touch, especially to classic or rustic homes. Choosing based on roof color. It is very important to think about how the panel color will match your roof. Black panels work well with darker roofs, adding to the solar panel aesthetic without being too bold. Blue panels, on the other hand, can create a beautiful contrast with lighter or neutral roofs. In the end, both black and blue panels can make your home look better while using solar energy. Maintenance and durability of black versus blue solar panels. Keeping solar panels in good shape is substantial to their performance. Understanding the differences in care and lifespan between black and blue panels helps homeowners make better choices. Cleaning and maintenance. It is needed to regularly clean both black and blue solar panels to keep them working well. A simple rinse with water and a soft brush can remove dirt and debris. Black panels might show dirt more, but cleaning them is just as easy as blue ones. It is wise to clean them every 6 months to keep your eco-friendly solar power running smoothly. Durability in harsh environments. Durability is a big factor, especially in harsh weather, when choosing between black and blue panels. Both types are built to handle different climates, but there are slight differences. Black panels have a strong coating that helps protect against UV rays. Blue panels, made of polycrystalline material, also last well but might wear down faster in sandy or salty areas. Expected lifespan. Considering the durability of panels over time is crucial for their extended usage. Both black and blue panels usually last 25 to 30 years. But the material and build quality can affect how long they last. Black panels, often made from monocrystalline silicon, might be slightly more efficient over time. Still, with proper solar panel maintenance, both types can offer reliable eco-friendly solar power for many years. Choose between black and blue solar panels. Picking out the perfect solar panels for your house involves more than considering the cost. It is very important to take into account aspects that impact your energy savings and property value while adding to your overall satisfaction. Let's explore the factors you should consider. Consider your budget. When deciding between blue panels for your solar energy system installation project, budget is a key factor to consider. On the one hand, black panels usually come with a price tag, but they could lead to quicker return on investment thanks to their superior efficiency levels. On the other hand, polycrystalline panels are often more affordable and could be a suitable choice for individuals looking to save costs during the installation process. If you want a good balance, look for affordable black solar panels that match your budget and quality standards. Evaluate your energy needs. It is of substance to know how much energy your home uses. Decide if residential solar panels will cover your daily needs. Black solar panels are great for homes needing a lot of energy because they're more efficient. Blue panels are a good choice for homes using less energy. Take aesthetic preferences into account. The look of your home is important. Affordable black solar panels fit well with dark roofs, giving a modern and subtle look. Blue panels might be more noticeable, but can look great with lighter roofs. Think about how each type will look with your home's design. Long-term benefits. It is crucial to think about the advantages that will last over the years when you're trying to choose panels for your home or business installation. If you want to weigh the long-term advantages of panels, please make sure you take into account things like energy savings, environmental impact, and any possible incentives offered by the government. Both of them help with renewable energy solutions and sustainable energy solutions by reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a more sustainable future. However, black solar panels, due to their higher efficiency levels, may offer greater energy savings and a faster ROI than blue polycrystalline panels. Government incentives, such as tax credits and rebates, can also offset the initial cost of installing solar panels and make them more affordable. After selecting suitable solar panels, it is better to consider a solar inverter that fits your solar system. Products from Hybrid Solar Inverter series from any solar panel vendor are highly recommended. Meanwhile, various options of solar inverters like single-phase inverters and three-phase inverters are offered to you. In conclusion, both blue and black solar panels offer unique benefits and are viable options for those looking to harness the power of the sun. Black solar modules tend to have higher efficiency levels and a sleek modern appearance, but they may come with a higher initial cost. Blue polycrystalline panels, on the other hand, are typically more cost-effective and can still provide good performance in a range of conditions. When you think about which solar panel is the best, the choice depends on what you need, like efficiency, cost, or looks. Black panels look sleek and work better in dim light. Blue panels are cheaper and last long. Consider the cost and how easy they are to install. Black panels might cost more upfront but look modern. Blue panels are more traditional and less expensive. Look at your budget and the long-term savings of each. Remember to consider maintenance and durability when selecting panels. Blue panels are durable in tough weather conditions, while black panels incorporate cutting-edge technology for improved performance. Opting for solar panels is a significant stride towards a more sustainable future, where your selection aligns with your energy requirements and financial considerations to ensure optimal results. Thank you for watching this video. If you like what you just watched, please drop your comment and do not forget to like this video. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow Simmyideas Tech Hub on X and Facebook. For the latest videos on gadgets and tech, subscribe to our YouTube channel.